In the last tutorial, we have seen how to make this category list right here. So if you didn't understand it, hopefully you rewatched the video, because when you're watching a tutorial second time, it gets easier, trust me. So hopefully you understood it. Now, in the category list, we have currently 3 items. So just to make it look better, we can simply just duplicate these values and paste it few many times. Now that looks a little better. We have still this section to do, and it is a simple row which has like 2 text. Simple. Let us do that. On top of our categories, we will have a row. And it will have 2 text. One will be called categories, and another will be called see all. If I press save right now, they are really close to each other. So how can I make them like this? So if you remember space between in row, what space between does, it takes equal spacing. So if I use a space between right here, main axis alignment, in space between, and it will take spacing at the middle. Now we have to style the text, but before that we have to put space on the top because it is too close to the slider right now. So we can use sized box, give it a height maybe 30. Okay, but still the spacing right here is too much, and that is because we have given it a height 200, which is too much. If I give it a color, you will understand. Let me give it any color and hit save. As you can see, it has too much spacing. We don't need that much. Maybe we can set the height to 100 or just 90. That is looking better now. Now I can remove the color. Also, the margin on the top is 30. We don't need this much, maybe 20. Yep, that looks nice. Now the category, the text categories is going to be bold, and the text see all will have a different color like this. So let us style this. Font weight bold, and font size maybe 20. Now that's too much, maybe 17. Yeah, that looks nice. Now see all will have this color. If you notice, this color, this color, this color, these are all same colors. This is our primary color of the application. If you go to the other pages, you see we have used this color in many places, and this is the primary color because this is the only color that is popping up more than any color, right? So this is a primary color right here. Also, we have another color which we are using sometimes, which is this orange color. So we will think about it later. Right now, we can see this is the color that we will use many times in our application. So instead of using it everywhere, right? Instead of using the color code everywhere, what we can do, we can create a separate file for colors, and we can call the colors from that file. Let us create a separate file for that. Inside the lib folder, we can create another folder which is called common, and inside that I will create file, call it const colors. And we can assign the colors in a variable like this. So first of all, the data type, which is color, and then import the package, and then you can name the variable anything you like. I called it primary color, and inside that, the way we always use the color code, just like that, as simple as that. Now I can use this variable in everywhere in the project. So for example, right here, let us copy this text style. The font weight won't be bold. The font size, we can set it to 13 maybe, or maybe 15. Okay, and the color, we can say primary color. This primary color variable is coming from this file right here, so we can use this variable anywhere we like. Now if you noticed, I clicked on this variable and it took me to the file from where it is getting the value. How can you do that? In Mac, you can press command and then click on the variable. It will take you to that file. In Windows, you can press Control and then click on the variable. If I hit save, it gives me this color, and that is because I forgot to change the color value. Now it should be okay. Okay, nice.